Richard Mille RM47 Tourbillon watch. Main features are case shape, tonneau. Case material, black TZP ceramic, and 3N yellow gold. Case dimensions 42.70 by 50.0 by 16.25 mm. Water resistance 50 meters, 5 bar. Manual winding tourbillon caliber, RM47. This in-house movement showcases Richard Mille's dedication to precision and innovation. Power reserve, approximately 72 hours, ensuring reliable timekeeping. Samurai armor decoration. The PICDR assistance is the hand-engraved and painted 3N yellow gold samurai armor, meticulously crafted to resemble a warrior's attire. This intricate artwork pays homage to Japanese culture and the spirit of the samurai. Tourbillon mechanism. The tourbillon, a complex complication that counteracts the effects of gravity on timekeeping accuracy, is showcased prominently on the dial. RM47 Tourbillon is a limited edition of 75 pieces, making it a highly sought-after collector's item. Diamond setting. The watch features a unique gem setting technique with red gold prongs, adding a touch of opulence.